Have a kiss.
No! Have a kiss?
Kiss, Kaylin.
Kaylin, give Uncle Dennis a kiss.
Give a kiss.
Give a kiss. Give Mom.
Mama.
Oh.
Dada.
Oh,
thank you.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, here.
Are you dirty?
I'll give you a hug. You want a hug? All right. Did you get me dirty, Kaylin?
I don't think it really.
I know. Aw, thank you.
Hey, Kaylin.
You're a nice girl.
What's this?
What did Daddy do?
What is that? Kiss?
Hey, poo.
What's this?
Kaylin. Poop.
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 Feel like I got poop in my hands.
Yeah, it looks like it, doesn't it, Kaylin? Look at your hands.
Poop. Your hands have poop. She's like,
You're real curly today. Curly because it's humid, huh? You're curly.
So how long did you go car
Out.
shopping for? What time?
Out.
Hold on.
Get out.
How many cars did you go see all together? Three.
She wanted to go by her dad.
Yeah, all in Ohio. We left Maine at 1:30.
Oh, that was later. That was after.
And then, yeah, we waited till after lunch.
Wait for Daddy because he's going. Wait.
And then,
I didn't know that your mailbox was across the street.
Yeah, I've always been there.
Well, I figured
Go get
that.
Daddy.
Try to drive in.
Go get Daddy.
we looked another weekend too.
Go get Daddy.
Yeah.
Go get Daddy.
Mama.
Mama's over here. Go get Daddy.
Hi.
Whoa!
There you go. None of them are from who you want to be from.
Up.
Because they're all stamped in Cincinnati. Uh-oh. How'd you get back in there?
Hey, March.
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 Clap.
Whoa.
Clap.
You're like an actress. You're like a little actress, Kaylin.
You gonna take a nap?
Wow, she actually paid you.
Kaylin, go like that.
So you got paid finally.
That's good.
From who?
Money's good.
From the person who owed her money.
Oh.
She said she was going to go there and bust her kneecaps.
Mm.
Missy was going to?
Yeah. She's a real hard.
I would like to see that.
You can bust me again.
Yeah, she was gonna take that
I can't
girl
see
bar.
you cry when he shut the door. I don't see you bust the kneecaps. I really don't.
Yeah, but they owe her money.
Right.
Yeah, that's
Ouch.
when Vito and Rocco break them.
Why do you want
You
ouch?
don't go break them because then if they get caught, you and them.
Cheese!
That's Vito
Oh.
and Rocco.
Here, now you got money, pay this bill. It's only $60.
You want out? Out? Out.
If he wants to run in.
Oh!
How long are you videotaping for, Scott?
Whatever.
Until this car gets full.
That's right, bitch!
You just messed up a cute video.
Is that your camera or Amanda's?
Amanda's.
And
And she got.
Is that my
How much
camera?
memory
It's
do you have?
waterproof too. It's got 4G.